Hello students, welcome to Management Accounting class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the differences between traditional financial statement and funds flow statement. Okay, here we will be discussing two differences. First one is the differences between income statement, that is profit and loss account, and funds flow statement, and the next one is the differences between balance sheet, that is statement of assets and liabilities, and funds flow statement. Okay, now let's begin with the differences between income statement and funds flow statement. Here we have three columns. First column is points of differences, second column funds flow statement, and third column is income statement. Okay, the first point of difference is objectives. The main objective of funds flow statement is to ascertain funds generated from operations, that is how much fund the firm has generated from their operating activities. To find out that, we prepare the funds flow statement, whereas the objective of income statement or profit and loss account is to ascertain the net profit and loss earned by the firm, whether the firm has earned profit or the firm has incurred a loss. This is the main, to find out this is the main objective of profit and loss account. The next one is disclosure, which information both the statement disclose. Fund flow statements reveals with the sources and application of funds. So the total of sources of funds as well as application of funds will be disclosed in the funds flow statement, whereas income statement reveals only the result of operations. Now, what are the items taken into consideration while preparing funds flow statement? In funds flow statement, both capital and revenue items are considered, whereas in income statement, only revenue items are considered. Okay. Now, the format of statement, which format the fund flow statement uses and which format the income statement uses. In funds flow statement, there is no prescribed format for preparing the funds flow statement, whereas income statement is prepared in a prescribed format given by the authority, or as per the statute, whatever format is given, in that format we have to prepare the income statement. Now, on what basis the fund flow statement and the income statement is prepared? Fund flow statement is prepared based on the current price, and hence it is free from changes in price level. Okay, so funds flow statement will be revealing the information about the additional changes in the financial condition, and when they show those additional changes in the financial condition or position of the business organization, they record it on the current price. So therefore, they no need to consider about the changes in the price level, whereas income statement is prepared based on cost price or historical price, and therefore it is not free from the influence of price level changes. We have studied this in accounting theory that as per the cost principle, the assets will be recorded on the cost price or on the historical price. Same is the case with expenses and income. So whenever expenses and income is incurred, so on that day whatever price was there, on the same price the expenses will be recorded as well as income will be recorded. So therefore it is not free from the influence of price level changes, because due to inflation price level get changes, and therefore income statement will not give the result as per the change in the price level. Now, the next points of difference is reliability. Funds flow statement is more reliable than the income statement, because the management cannot make any changes in this statement for fraudulent purposes, because basically this statement is being used by the management for their decision making procedure. So they don't make any fraudulent statement or they don't record any fraudulent items in the funds flow statement. So we can say that funds flow statement is quite reliable compared to income statement. whereas income statement is not reliable because there is a scope for fraudulence in this statement, and hence this statement is less dependable because we take into consideration all the expenses income where we have the scope of like making the changes in those expenses as in expenses and income. Therefore, like we can say that this statement is less dependable for decision making process. The next point of difference is scope. Fund flow statement has limited scope because it deals mainly with working capital, and this statement is used only by management, as I said, in their decision making policy. Whereas income statements has broad scope because it deals with all financial transactions. The next point of difference is time for preparation. Funds flow statement may be prepared at any point of time, whereas income statement need to follow the concept of periodicity, and therefore every year at the end of financial year we close down all the ledger account and we prepare the financial statements. Okay, and the last points of difference is legal necessity. Preparation of funds flow statement is not statutory, it is optional, whereas preparation of income statement is statutory. Okay, these are the some important differences between the income statement and funds flow statement. Okay, I hope you understood like what is the differences between funds flow statement and income statement. Okay, the next differences is the differences between funds flow statement and balance sheet. Okay, the next traditional financial statement is balance sheet. So here we'll discuss the differences between funds flow statement and statement of assets and liabilities. The first point of difference is objective. Now we all of us know that what is the main objective is to prepare the funds flow statement. Okay, the funds flow statement is prepared to know the funds generated and their use during the year, whereas the statement of assets and liabilities is prepared to know the financial position of the firm as on a particular date. So at the end of the financial year, what is the financial position of the business organization? This can be revealed by the statement of assets and liabilities, that is how much liabilities the firm has, and to repay those liabilities how much assets the firm owned. So this information we will get to know with the help of financial statement, that is with the help of statement of assets and liabilities. The next points of difference is nature. Fund flow statement is dynamic in nature because it shows the statement of changes in financial position. So whenever the changes is occurring in the financial position, the same changes we can find in the funds flow statement, and therefore we can say that the nature of funds flow statement is dynamic, whereas the nature of statement of assets and liabilities is static in nature because it is a statement of financial position on a particular date. So you cannot make any big changes in the statement of assets and liabilities. So whatever position is there, the same position you have to show at the end of financial year. The next point is usefulness. Funds flow statement is useful to only management and creditors. Okay, so the users of the funds flow statement is management and creditors, whereas the users of balance sheet is creditors, shareholders, management and other external parties. Okay, basically funds flow statement is prepared for internal purpose, whereas statement of assets and liabilities, that is balance sheet, is prepared for external parties, and those external parties includes creditors, shareholders and other external parties like government, public, etc. Next one is legal necessity. The preparation of funds flow statement is optional, whereas the preparation of statement of assets and liabilities is statutory. And the last point of difference is what details these statements shows. Funds flow statement shows the sources and uses of funds in a particular period of time, whereas balance sheet shows the assets and liabilities at a particular period of time or at a particular point of time. Okay, so these are the few important differences between funds flow statement and balance sheet. I hope you understood both the differences and you understood the concept of fund flow statement as well as traditional financial statement. Okay, in the next class we will be starting with the steps in the preparation of funds flow statement and the format, the statement which we are going to prepare in the funds flow statement. Okay, thank you.